Just for the last 5 minutes.
Okay. Does it start over when you...
I have to stop it and start it every 28 minutes, so
Okay.
I stop when we do studies. The camera's goofy that way.
Okay, what was I saying? The slope is, are you guys okay with that? The slope is negative 1/3 for my perpendicular line. Flip it and change the sign. Okay, and my point, again, is the point that they give me, which on mine is 1, 3. Okay? So again, if I read the question carefully, the first thing it asks for is point slip form. The point slip form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. That's all I have to type for point slip form. Okay, then if I want to do slope-intercept form, I would do y equals mx plus b. My y was 3. My m was negative 1/3. Times 1 plus 1. X equals, sorry, somebody called my phone, so I'm trying to figure out this one. Okay, so I just need to solve this for b. I know negative 1/3 times 1, well, anything times 1 is just itself. Okay, and then to get b, I need to add 1/3 to both sides. And 3 plus 1/3 should be 10/3.
Is it still a negative, or?
To move the negative over, I gotta make it positive. So
Okay.
I'm adding 3 plus 1/3. Because I gotta change that sign to move it over.
Okay.
So it would be positive. My b is 10/3. So my equation in slope-intercept form would be y equals negative 1/3 x plus 10/3. I really like that way better of doing the slope-intercept form. They never ever do that in textbooks. They always do the point slip formula and then they just review.
Quick question.
Mm-hmm.
Negative 1/4 times negative 1 results in positive 1/4, right?
Yes.
No, I think it's cute.
Six minus 1, that should be 3 minus 0. And then 6 minus 1 is 3. You can also find this, I can tell that's positive because just to get from one to the next, you had to go up 5/3.
Well, yeah, I wasn't paying no attention to that really.
Think
I mean,
about it.
apparently I ain't
You're doing okay. You're doing fine. You having trouble with the signs there and the fractions?
Yes, but exactly what I did, because I tried doing it in my
Negative
head.
1/4 times negative 1 would be positive. And then you have negative 1/4
It would be
minus, I think it would be 17/4.
It is negative 17/4.
Now these are the next two are the same two questions, they just don't show you the picture. 19 and 20.
Yeah, I got it.
They're exactly the same, they look different because they don't have the picture.
19 is?
19 is another parallel and 20 is another perpendicular. They just don't have the graph. They just tell you the information.
Okay, so
They're the exact two questions.
so passing through, it says passing through,
Well, it just means that that's the point on the line.
so,
That's the point you want to use.
okay. And then we just draw our own line. Okay, -5 and -7. And parallel to the line, use equation form.
19.
Okay.
Okay. Now like she just said, this is
Negative 1
exactly the same as
negative 1 is
17
negative.
down.
So then you have to subtract
So,
1. And you get negative
Are you
26.
laughing at me?
no.
Really?
I'm just finding it already.
Alright, well.
What is it? What is this? Let's before we move to the other one. Let's look at the pretty picture. Where's the slope?
-5.
Yes, the slope is -5. No. Let's write that down so we know. Our slope is -5. I want to plug -5 into the equation. So I'm going to use these points to plug it into the y-coordinates. Let's see, the equation has my slope
Make
equals
sure you put
5.
in the -4 there. That's the problem.
Okay, so it would be
So they're given the negative 4. Negative 4 minus 1/4.
Not entirely sure how
Oh. Here. Sorry.
4? Oh. 3, 5, 6, and 9 equals 4.
Okay. Right?
Yes. Now let's solve it. So it equals the cubes. This is my box. It cuts us off.
This thing really.
I know. My mom complained because I used up all.
I think you're a fun day.
So we're going for 10 cups.
What's a 12 cup? Look.
That's the
mine
problem
was-
because I didn't brew 12 cups. I only brewed 10.
Oh, well, his mom's that I had the other day. It was 16 ounces.
Yes, 2
I
cups.
said I drank 1 mug and actually 2 cups. And I gave 3 in the minutes of the day. This is just in the morning. In the minutes of the day. I usually go for a whole pot. Now today I only had it work. And then some other ones. This one. But that's positive.
You just subtract it, so you get rid of it. The original. Good. 8 is -4. So let's write out this is right equation for our line point slope form. So we figured out our what is it called? We figured out our slope intercept form. That's our slope intercept form. Okay. That's the second question they're going to ask. We finished the second question before we finish the first
That's
question.
fine.
Write an equation for the line and point slope form. Point slope form.
So that's the line minus line.
1.
Line equals line. Right? Yeah.
Alright. So we know our slope is -5. So So we replace them with negative 5. And then go y1 is -6. We know x1 is -9.
Well, y minus -6 is negative +6.
Yep. Or I could write it down. Just whichever you do.
What will be x?
Minus 9 on positive.
And this is minus x.
Yeah, that's your slope intercept. And luckily for you, you already did the second answer, so this problem's in the bag. I had to.
Yeah.
And I can just write out in y plus mx plus b form, so no. Just write out y equals. What's your slope? Slope is minus 5.
Mhm.
And then write out x, because you have to get rid of y and x now. And then your b. How did you do that? Oh, leave
Negative x?
you leave that x, yeah.
Oh.
Write it out as an actual functional equation. That's what you want. So you figured out b, now you can write it out as a functional
Okay, so
equation.
that's negative.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
Alright guys, so really that's, the only other thing on the homework besides the parallel and perpendicular questions are the word
Well, we're
problems.
gonna find out.
Plus negative for 2 1. You gotta put that either in parentheses or just write that as negative.
Now some of the word problems you can just kind of reason out and write an
You
equation.
can't plus negative if you do.
Okay.
It might work.
Got it.
Now what you want to
It
keep
really
in
does.
mind,
It's usually just, it says plus, but if it's a negative,
just
a
a
minus
couple
if
general
you
things about word problems.
Oh, I didn't
If you
make
guys
that
could
up.
pause your own work for a second and just go over a couple general things. The first thing you want to be careful about is
If they
you want to make sure you use the right letters. Do not use X and Y all the time. If they tell you to use B and T, you have to use B and T or it will count it wrong. Okay? So make sure you use the letters that they use in the problem. So they will either give you 2 points, which you can call x1, y1, and x2, y2. Or they will give you the starting value, which is the y-intercept. So if they give you the starting value, like your value of the building starts out at this amount, that's your starting value, so that would be your y-intercept. And they'll give you a rate of change, which is your slope. So if they tell you, your car starts out with a value of $15,000, and then it decreases by 1,000 every year, then the 1,000 decreasing would make it negative. That's your rate of change. Okay, so they'll either give you 2 points, or they'll give you a starting value and a rate of change. Okay? Now you guys know what to do in either of those cases. If you have a slope and a y-intercept, just write an equation. Okay? Y equals mx plus b. Okay? If they give you 2 points, well, you have to find the slope, and then plug in the slope and the point to find the equation. Okay? So if they give you, whichever one they give you, same procedures. Okay? Just make sure you use the same letters that they do. Okay? Because I've seen a lot of people get questions wrong on quizzes because it's like supposed to be M and T and they put in Y and X and it, just don't blame the computer because it doesn't understand. It doesn't understand that you meant T but you just wrote X. I mean, that doesn't make sense to a computer. It makes sense to us, but they will count that wrong. So. Okay. So we have about 15 minutes if you guys want to work on whatever you need to work on and ask questions, that's fine. Hopefully we've done enough today to get everybody going on the homework. I will go ahead and post these notes right now if you guys need to print out notes before you leave.
And it's not point of format.
Oh, and that practice problem we did, let's turn that in.
Because it's supposed to
Y minus 3
Easier if you guys have followed your
equals
actual person turn them in.
my slope
My happy ass already got up.
3.
Whoa,
And then there's my
wait.
oh, I need my X.
Well, I think you have
minus
one too many numbers in
2.
there. So take it. Switch it to this one. Okay. Y minus y1.
Right?
Okay.
And there's my slope.
3. That's your slope. Good. X
So I need to
minus
get
3.
rid of
So 12 is 12 x 1.
and 12 is my B value.
So you would put that in this
Right.
equation.
So it would be my X minus would be -3, which makes it a positive 3. Right? Right?
And that is also for
Well, I guess we need to put in the formula since it's too high.
just write it out. This write out your y equals, and then make sure you put your x in there. And just start in the blank. Does that make sense?
Okay. So then y equals 3. Okay?
Thank you.
That's
Look
my
in the
slope.
star there.
Yeah, that's my slope.
That's your slope. That's good.
That's my
You don't
X.
want to put an x in it.
Oh, you want to put an X.
Yeah. Well, when you do this, let's just make it
Like
fill
that?
in the blank there. So we want only put these two values in. The only two values we put in.
Okay. Right?
Because it's not going to be happy if we put anything else.
Yeah. Yeah, I found that out the hard way.